Welcome! If you wonder how to unlock your ASUS ROG Phone 5, I can show you how we can make it in a few ways. The first one, it's the most fastest. You have to tap on the lock screen and then use the fingerprint sensor. You can also use the pattern code or any other passcode that you have set up in the settings. And the last one is the face unlock. As you can see, when I tap on the power key, the smartphone will unlock when recognize my face, and everything you can set up right here by going to the settings, go for the security and the lock screen, and here we can find the screen lock. You got simple swipe, pattern, pin or password. Here we got the face recognition, so we can set it up really easy, and the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, it's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.